And I've got Carl over here. Carl, how are you doing, buddy? I've heard you're the main man out here. You know a bit of everyone, don't you?
Well, I organise a few meetups out here, yeah.
For the Brits that come out here, you organise those meetups?
For the Brits, for sure, and, yeah, local Portuguese people as well.
What brought you out here, Carl?
Well, it's not a bad view, is it?
I mean...
I drove in 7 years ago. We're in our camper van. We drove from the UK, came to the street here, saw this view and fell in love with the place immediately.
And 100 grand, good way to start out here?
I think you could probably enjoy a few happy hours. Looking at the sunset here.
I like how you went straight to beers, Carl. I love that. Guys, if you want to win 100 grand and maybe relocate to Portugal, like Carl and like Kit, get your entries in. £100,000. What do you think of that, guys? Samantha loves it. Guys, get your entries in. Be really quick. I'll see you in a bit. Back to you guys. I'm off to go build a sandcastle. Bye, guys.
Lovely.
Come on, guys.
Best
of luck with that. So, Nick. Hi there, welcome back. Time to check on Jake, who has been spending his morning chatting to expats on the beach in Portugal. Hey there, Jake.
Hey Ben, you all right? I'm not on the beach anymore, but I've got a view to show you in a second. That's right, I'm bringing you £100,000 from Portugal. The competition ends on Friday at 3 p.m, so you've got to be quick with this one. Get your entries in, all tax-free cash. Now, look at this view, Ben. Kat, look at this. How beautiful is that? Just imagine waking up every single morning to that view with a nice coffee in your hand. Carl's been doing that for 7 years, hasn't you, Carl?
I have, yeah, absolutely love it.
So I've heard... in Portugal, 300 days of sunshine, is that right?
Mostly, yeah. It's been a bit of a wet winter this year, to be fair. Look at it now. All is forgotten.
And what about better cost of living?
No question.
And better standard of living?
Yes, yeah, for sure.
What's your favourite thing about being out here, Carl?
It's the culture and the people. It's a very friendly, very safe culture. Great place for my kids to grow up.
Amazing. And so if somebody won £100,000 and you had to give them a little bit of advice about moving to Portugal or moving abroad, what would you say to them?
I'd say get on with it.
That's it,
yeah,
simple
really
as that.
Crack on. Yes, invest that money in moving abroad and come and enjoy something like this.
There you have it, guys. Get on with it. If you win the money, you've got to enter first to win the money. Here are all the details. Get on with it. Like Carl says, just get on with it. Enter the competition.